Hey everybody, thanks for coming back. This is just a quick video of the tram antenna up on the pole. It's not the complete video of all the testing and everything, but that is coming, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm putting up the tram antenna and getting it mounted to the support pipe. And something here with the bolt is not right. It's not quite long enough to cinch down to the pipe. It comes with a washer, like so, and that with that washer, it does not actually, let's get some sunshine on now, go into where it would tighten up against the pipe. So these bolts are short. I removed the washer and it tightens down fine without the washer, but that's a little strange. It'll hold, and this is a temporary setup for testing and all that fun stuff. So going without the washer. Okay, tram installed. All the other little pieces and parts went in fine. And we'll have it on the air shortly. Boy, that's a tall sucker. Alright everybody, check this out. We got a little bit of snow. Let's see. Oh, my 80-meter dipole wire. Oh, you can see it there, nice and happy. There's no snow on it. But look at this. Look at that thing. It's holding a little bit of weight. Not too bad. You can see where it's only going up halfway into that tree. And that snow will probably fall off at some point. But here's that tram. Got to still do the SWR test on this sucker. Anyway, we've got snow. We have snow in Fairbanks, Alaska.